a gas-powered handmade replica of an 1863 Central Pacific steam engine train that will take you through the 60-acre entertainment complex that we are proud to call the Kemah Boardwalk. Please stay seated and keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times. To our right is Landry's Seafood House. This historic site opened in 1947 and has been home to Landry's since 1989. Once an illegal gambling hotspot, the restaurant has survived several hurricanes and still stands proudly today. On our right is Clear Creek Channel. Every day, hundreds of watercraft pass by on their way to Galveston Bay and beyond. Did anyone know that Clear Lake is the third largest yachting community in the entire U.S.? As we venture around the bend, get ready to scream as we journey through the mysterious Kemah Tunnel. Anybody hungry? Bubblegum Shrimp Company, the world-famous restaurant, is known for their shrimp dishes, just like Mama makes it. Can you name all the types of ways you can make shrimp? Shrimp is the fruit of the sea. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it, bake it, saute it, make shrimp kebabs, shrimp creole, shrimp gumbo, pan-fried, deep-fried, stir-fried. Hey, pardon our dust around here. We've got new thrills in progress. Get ready while we improve your adventure. Exciting, new, epic fun is about to happen at the boardwalk. We're now about to enter the Grand Events Plaza. This great outdoor environment plays host to live entertainment, music festivals. We guarantee it will provide hours of fun. Check out our calendar of events on the sign by the entrance to see what event you want to come to this year. Coming up, you will see the aquarium, a unique 3-level restaurant, home to over 70,000 gallons of water and over 100 different species of fish. Enjoy incredible seafood specialties as you dine amongst the fish and coral. Over at the Stingray Reef attraction, you can actually pet and feed the stingrays. So cool. In the background, you'll see our Boardwalk Inn with 52 spectacular rooms and quaint cafes. A great getaway to relax and recharge. And don't forget, over 20 shops filled with gifts for all ages. Is everyone having a really good time so far? Let me hear it. Oh, great. You know what to do in the Kemah tunnel. Come on, everyone.
Yola mı kessin?
We have a great view of Galveston Bay. Galveston Bay is an estuary with a mixture of salt water from the Gulf of Mexico and fresh water from creeks and streams inland. Interestingly, Galveston Bay averages only 7 to 9 feet in depth. Have any of you braved the Boardwalk Beast Speedboat thrill ride? Just a warning, you will get soaked. The perfect ride for those hot summer days. We are now approaching Saltgrass Steakhouse. Did I mention the Saltgrass Sheriff asked us to keep an eye out for a band of outlaws roaming our Saltgrass territory? Hey everyone, look out! It looks like we're caught in the middle of a gunfight!